If you're looking for a way to spice up your weekend, we got you covered. Manuel is here previewing the 4th annual Tamale Fest and telling us what we can expect on Saturday.
Good morning.
Good morning, you guys. Thank you for having me.
So Tamale Fest is this weekend, and it's going to be nice weather outside. Can you kind of explain what Tamale Fest is for us?
Tamale Fest is a way to raise funds for a nonprofit while putting on a competition to see what Mexican restaurant has the best tamales in town.
And we have some of these tamales. Where are these from here?
These are from Supermercado Guanajuato, the Guanajuato supermarket. It's over on South Main and 15th. Amazing food. They're always in the top 3, you guys.
Oh boy,
Always.
so they got some competition to deal with, right?
Yes, yes.
Because this is a competition, so
It is.
people who are coming out to Tamale Fest, what are some of the things you're looking at the tamales for as far as like the judges, like the categories?
So the judges are going to be basing everything off of taste, flavor, profile,
Presentation
size,
too, right?
presentation, yep, ingredients. So,
Okay.
And are there different levels of spiciness when it comes to a tamale?
Yes, definitely. these are mild.
These are mild, okay.
You're going to be fine with these.
Okay, so
I wouldn't lead you wrong.
I do want to try it because I do like a nice little piece of spice in my life, but
There you go.
I get afraid of trying things that are too spicy.
Oh, they're really good. They're not spicy at all.
Oh, these are good. These are good. Yeah, okay. I was freaking out for no
She was
reason.
scared for no reason.
Oh, now I feel it. Now it's like a delayed spicy.
Kick at the end.
How many vendors are you looking at for this weekend?
Food vendors, a little under 15. Non-food vendors, close to 30.
These are really good.
Plus the bands, plus the DJ. We got Mechanical Bull out there. We
Oh,
got
wow.
lowriders coming.
This is a whole
We
party.
got cars coming as far as St. Louis, Kansas City.
So there's a car show involved too.
Car show involved.
And there's a little bit of wrestling.
Mexican wrestling. We got 18 wrestlers coming out.
Some lucha.
Yeah, lucha libre. You know,
libre.
it's a whole different thing. We haven't had lucha libre in Rockford in about 10 years. So
Okay.
Oh wow, that'd be nice to see that come back.
exactly, you can drive right down East State Street, see them flying in the air and everything.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. So
Yes.
how did this all kind of get started?
So unfortunately, I lost my mom to cancer 5 years ago, and
wow.
she died with this wish of having a Mexican restaurant. She was an entrepreneur at heart, and we weren't able to do that. So we do that with our organization now. And instead of being at a cemetery on her birthday or remembering her life, we do it in a festival.
Wow.
That's really nice.
That's so touching.
Thank you.
So it has a bigger purpose and a bigger meaning.
Exactly.
And you guys are also fundraising. This is part of a charity event too, right?
Correct. So all the proceeds go to MASA, which is our nonprofit. We help Latinos in the area. We just had a grand opening for Wepa Food Truck yesterday, which she'll be at Tamale Fest. We had one for Leslie's Ice Cream Shop over on Rural 2 weeks ago. We helped them start their business. So we're helping entrepreneurs get their businesses going. We're helping, we're mentoring youth, teenagers in the area.
Wow.
Get on a better path, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then with the entrepreneurial education, the culture education, just like Greek Fest, we want you to leave knowing a little bit more about our culture.
I like
and it's
that.
not just tacos, you know what I mean?
Yeah, right.
Not just tacos, not just tamales as well.
Not just tamales. We have all kinds of food. So every vendor down there has to have tamales for sale, but they also bring their enchiladas, their quesadillas, their machetes, their pambazos,
Ooh.
All sounds
kinds of food.
fantastic.
It's a whole
It's
it's a whole
amazing.
event going on.
So
Exactly.
how has the turnout been the past couple of years since you started Tamale Fest?
You know what? It's been great. The very first year we sold out in 4 hours, and we had 16 food vendors.
Wow.
So, and every year we run out close to 6 or 7 hours into the event. So get there early.
Get there early.
Get there early. Not that the event ends, but the tamales end, and that's what brings people in. Which is why we started adding more and more food.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So the tacos, they never stop. Last year we went until about 9:30, which was the first time, and that was at Davis Park.
Nice. So how can people get tickets for this weekend's event?
They can go to tamalefest815.com, Eventbrite, Facebook, you name it, you can find them
And it'll be on the east side by Don Carter Lanes.
Yep.
So this Saturday.
this Saturday. And get your tickets at the gate. If anything, if all else fails, get them at the gate.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for joining us. And thanks
Thank
for
you,
bringing
guys.
these tamales. They're so delicious.
Yeah, they're delicious.
They are spicy. I will say that. But they're definitely delicious.
All right.
Thank you, Manuel.